Welcome to the virtual classes presented by GPS. So dear students, in this science period or in the science video, we are going to see the topic that is the eating habits of wild animals. This topic is from the lesson number 4, that is the wild animals. So before going to start the new topic, I want to take the revision in short. So see, in the previous video, we learned about what is meant by the wild animals. So wild animals means the animals which lives in the forest are called as wild animals. Okay. Now, in next we saw that the homes of the wild animals. So, in that we saw the different animals have the different homes, different types of homes, such as like lion lives on land. Okay, birds lives on trees. Okay, crocodiles lives on land also, in water also. Like bear, lion and tiger they live in den. Then bear lives in cave. Okay, snakes lives in hole. Birds builds their nest on the tree. Gorillas lives in open places in the forest. Okay, snake lives in hole. Okay, rabbits digs burrows. Okay, then gorillas. Monkeys lives on the branches of the trees. So in this way we learn about the homes of different animals, wild animals especially, because name of our lesson is only wild animals. So in this video we are going to learn about the eating habits of wild animals. So see students, see in our surrounding is what means where we live and the area around us. Okay, in that living things are there, non-living things are, is the area in which the living thing and non-living things are there. Okay, and whatever the things are present like mountain, river, these all things whatever we saw nearby us is called as surrounding. It is our surrounding. Okay, so in surrounding there are two types of things. First is the living thing and second one is the non-living thing. Okay, so living things, in that again two types are there. For example, one is the plant and second are the animals. So in the animals again there are lots of types like domestic animals, wild animals. So we are going to see about the wild animals. So see, in that we saw about the homes of wild animals in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn about their eating habits. So in the previous standard you learn about the wild animals and their eating habits. For example, some animals eat only plants. Okay, like deer, and some animals only eat flesh of the other animals. Okay, and some animals can eat both, like plants also and animals also. Okay, so now we are going to discuss in detail about the eating habits of wild animals. So this is our topic, eating habits of wild animals. So for that you have to open your science textbook, page number 38. So see, eating habits of wild animals. So different wild animals, see students, different wild animals eat different kinds of food. Yes, we also eat different kinds of food. So like that, and different animals eat different kinds of foods. So the kind of food they eat is called their eating habit. So kind of food they eat is called their eating habit. So I am going to write some new words, okay, for you. So first thing is eating habit. Eating habit means what? The kind of food. Okay, eating habit. Okay, so see, eating habit means what? The kind of food they eat is called as the eating habit of that particular animal. So understood? I will repeat once again. The kind of food we eat are called the eating habit. Okay, or the kind of food they eat are called their eating habit. Okay. Next, plant eating animals. So first category is plant eating animals. So see, even here I will write the different habits of the. For example, number one, plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Okay. Plant eating animals. So in this, animals like deer, what are the examples like deer, elephant, rhinoceros, giraffe, monkey and zebra eat only what they eat? They only eat the leaves, okay? Leaves you know? Yes. And grass, okay? And the green plants and the fruits. And these animals are called as plant-eating animals, okay? So see the pictures are there. A few examples are there. They have given us the pictures. For example, see deer, it is a plant-eating animal. Rhinoceros, it is also plant-eating animal. And zebra, this is also a plant-eating animal. Now, next category or the next type is, so see, flesh-eating animals. Okay. So see, number 2 is flesh. What is meant by the flesh? The meat of other animal. Okay. So flesh-eating animals. Okay. Flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating plant. Okay. So flesh-eating animals, in that, see, animals like leopard, crocodile, tiger, lion, snake kill other animals. Such kind of animals, wild animals, they kill the other animals, okay, other small animals, okay, and eat their flesh, okay. And these animals are called as flesh-eating animals. The animals which kill the other animals, okay, and they eat the flesh of that animals are called as flesh-eating animals. Okay, for example, leopard, crocodile, tiger, lion and snake. They have given us 2 pictures. So see, you can understand by observing these 2 pictures. For example, see, tiger, he killed the deer, and lion also, he also killed the deer and he is eating the flesh of that animal. So in this way you have to observe what are the pictures given in your textbook. Now you have to turn the page, open page number 39. Okay, ready? Good. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay. Again one category is there. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay. Number 3. Actually 3 categories are there, but this is different. So we can write it as a scavenger. It is called as scavenger. Okay. Scavenger. So you will not understand this. I am going to explain it. See, the animals like jackal and the wild dog and the vulture, such type of animals, and hyena, okay, they eat the flesh of dead animals. Dead animals means sometimes it happened by accidentally, okay, because of anything like heavy rain or something happen, okay, or by any disease or anything can happen and any animal can die. Yes, so such dead animals, they lie on the ground, yes, on the place, in the open place in the forest. So such type of animals means like jackal, wild dog, vulture and hyena, they eat these dead animals, okay, and these animals are called as scavengers. Okay, what is mean by scavengers? Okay, see, again this is a new word for you, so I am writing here once again, scavengers. Okay, you have to learn such difficult words or new words. Okay, scavengers means the animals which eat the dead animals, okay, are called as scavengers. So see, these animals help in keeping the forest clean. See, we should keep our environment clean, so forest should also be clean. So for that, these animals like hyena, jackal, wild dog and vulture, it helps to keep the environment clean of the forest. Means if they are eating the dead animal, means the forest is automatically clean by themselves. So see, now picture is there. So see, vulture and hyena, they are eating the dead animals. Okay. Now next type is the animals that eat both plants and animals. Okay. So the animals that eat both plants and animals. Number 4. Animals. I will not write the word. Eating plants and animals. Plants and animals. Such type of animals. Okay, eating plants and animals. Okay, so animals that eat that are eating plants and animals. Okay, so see, animals that eat both plants and animals. So animals like bear, okay, and crow eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Okay, they also eat plants also, and sometimes they eat flesh also. Means whatever they get, they can eat it. Means okay, both the they can come in both the categories. So now one picture they have given to us, means you will understand. So see, picture of bear is there. So bear eating plants, see, and bear eating flesh, means fish that bear is eating. So in this way, animals, some animals are like that, they eat both plants also, okay, and flesh of other animals also. Now revise and recall column is there. In that they have given us the statements true and false, okay. So see, state whether the following statements are true, okay, and false. So you are okay. So I am going to write it on the board, okay, or I will ask you orally also. See, number 1, all and wild animals have the same eating habits. I will write the answers there, okay. Revise in the column, you have to solve. So see, number 1, I will write the numbers 1, number 2, number 3, okay, number 4 and number 5. Okay, you will write the answer here, and this column is revise and recall. Revise and recall. Okay. So see, number 1, all wild animals have the same eating habits. No. Now only we studied that all the different animals have the different kinds of eating habits. So obviously this statement is false. So I am going to write F here. So number 2, what is number 2? Rhinoceros is an example of plant eating animal. Yes, it is the example of plant eating animal. So this sentence is true. So I am writing T for the true statement. Now leopard kills other animals and eat their flesh. Yes, this is also correct. So I am going to write true. T. Okay. Now number 4, hyenas eat the flesh of the dead animals. Yes, absolutely correct. Hyenas eat the flesh of the dead animals. So this sentence is also true. Okay. Number 5, some wild animals eat both plants and animals. Yes. Now only we discuss that some animals. So this sentence is also true, that some animals eat plants and some animals eat flesh also. Now one column is there. Let's say together. See students, I am going to write these words also. But I hope you understood. The plant eating animals. Plant eating animals means the animals which eat only leaves, plants, grass and fruits of the trees. Flesh eating animals means the animals which eat the animals which kill the other animals and they eat the flesh of the animals. Now the scavengers. Scavengers means what? Try to remember. Okay, I will tell you. Scavengers is what? The animals which eat the flesh of the dead animals, and it helps to keep the forest clean. It helps the environment in keeping the environment clean. Now number 4, some the animals that eat both plants also and animals also. Now let us take the point. Let's say together. In that they have given us few words. Okay, these are the new words we can say. Okay, so that words you have to learn. Okay, for example, wild animals. So you have to say after me. W-I-L-D, wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, wild animals. Next is dense. D-E-N-S, dense. Listen and see. Dense. How am I using? Caves. C-A-V-E-S, caves. Next, burrows. See how I am doing. B-U-R-R-O-W-S. How you are saying? Burrows. Say burrows. Okay. Next, plant eating animals that we already discussed, and scavengers. Okay. So we will take once again the revision of these new words. So see, plant eating habit. This is the another different word. Now plant eating animals also they have given us in your textbook. Next, scavengers. So see, scavengers. Scavengers. Scavengers is what? The animal which eat the dead animals, which eat the flesh of the dead animals. Such animals are called as scavengers. I hope. Why I am repeating? Because this is the new word, new concept. That's why I am repeating it more times. Okay. So I hope you understood. Okay. Because of the repetition. Scavengers means the animals which eat the flesh of the dead animals. Now wild animals, the animals which live in the forest. Say dense, caves. These are the names of the homes. Burrows. Yes, this is the name of the home. Okay, homes. So I hope you understood. Let's see together column. Now you have to open page number 4014. In that summary is there, okay, and keywords they have given us, okay. So that 2 points we will take in this video. For example, summary. So you have to open page number 14 and you have to look at here carefully in your textbook, okay. Now see. Number 1. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Yes, I hope you understood this point. Now number 2. Wild animals like live in dens, burrows, holes, nests, caves, on trees and in open places. So these are the different names of homes of wild animals. Number 3. Some wild animals, I repeat, some wild animals eat plants, some eat flesh of other animals and some eat both plants and flesh of other animals, and again some animals are there, they eat flesh of dead animals. What do we call such animals? Yes, scavengers. Very good. Now wild animals, keywords are there, you have to look into that column. Wild animals, the animals that live in forest. Now I hope you learn, by watching this video you will learn all these concepts. Okay, now shelter. Shelter means the place that gives protection from rain, cold, heat and enemies. Okay, so in this way you have to what is your PH. Okay, so it is your PH that you have to read the complete lesson, the whole lesson from starting to end. Okay, so lesson number 4, that is the wild animals, and you have to write down the new words, let's say together also, and whatever I have written on the board that also, and you have to write keywords, okay, with their meanings. So okay students, stay home, stay safe. Bye.